Feeling the burn, Instacart shoppers are leaving the platform in droves, and here's why. First, the pay isn't what it used to be. Base pay has stagnated while Instacart bundles more orders together, forcing shoppers to complete 2, even 3 orders for the price of 1, dramatically decreasing the earnings per order. See these batches, they include mileage, time, and effort. But the pay is not commensurate. Inflation is also a massive factor. Gas prices are high, and the cost of living has skyrocketed. Shoppers are paying more out of pocket for gas, car maintenance, and other expenses, eating into their already diminished earnings. This difference visually represents the pay disparity. Increased workload without increased compensation is the final nail in the coffin. Longer distances, heavier orders, demanding customers, and the wear and tear on personal vehicles add up. Many shoppers are simply burning out. So, with these factors at play, it's no surprise that Instacart shoppers are seeking greener pastures. Many are finding better opportunities with other gig platforms, or returning to traditional employment. It's all about finding that work-life balance and financial stability elsewhere.